Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to install League of Legends for free. So in order to download this, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser, okay? And then you will just have to type out League of Legends, okay, using the search bar. Okay, then click on enter. Okay, and then just click on this website. Okay, this one, that's right. And then right after that, you will going to see this page, and then before anything else you will have to sign in to your account. So to do this, just tap on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then right after typing out all of the details that you need in order to sign into your account, okay, you will then see this page. So you will just have to click on the play for free option. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a few seconds. And then under the start option, you can see the click to download. So we just click on that one, and then the download will begin. So you will just have to wait for a few seconds and then you will see this. So you just have to click on download for Windows and then check to your download folder and then install it when it is done. Okay, so let's install it. Okay, so that's right. Now you will then um, see this option, the install option. So you will just have to tap on it. Okay, install, and then you will just then to wait for a few seconds to install the application. Now you will have to sign in again using your username and your password. So you should not forget the account that you have created and then click on the install option, and then it will begin to download all of the resources. And then right after that, you can now start playing the League of Legends. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.